My baby carry back, she want on me to see now, yeah.
Hello. How are you, Anshan? I'm fine. Any question of the day? Yes, sir.
Angate.
So, if A is for apple, B is for what? No, which kind of question is that? B now for Bariga, now you don't know.
Hey!
Where is your spinal cord located? Spider cord. Oh no, spider I know they get cord now. The only cord with me, I know now if you say iPhone cord.
Huh?
Can you spell Nigeria? Oh no, now everybody know Nigeria now. Which one you want to make us spell? Oh no, Nigeria. N-M-O.
God forbid.
Q. Zero.
Angate.
God, why?